Have you noticed the little marks above the syllables? They are tone marks. There are 4 tones in Chinese. Here they are. The first one is high and flat one. Ah. For example, mother in Chinese is ma. Flower is hua. Ah. The second one is a rising tone. Ah. In the sentence, what's your name? 你叫什么名字？什么啊？名字啊。A third one is 啊 in 你好. But we cannot pronounce like that because we don't have enough time when we speak. So we can only pronounce part of that. For example, 你好你好 and in 我叫 we can only pronounce the lower part 你叫 not 你叫 and my name is 我叫 not 我叫 And fourth one is a falling one. Ah in my name is 我叫 ah. Tones can distinguish meaning in Chinese. For example, if you want to say, may I ask you, 我想问你 问 means to ask. If you pronounce like 我想吻你 吻 that sounds I want to kiss you. So we need more practice. Let's take 6 single finals for practice. Ah, 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 ah. O, 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 o. Here we don't pronounce as e, it's and it's not as well. It's e, 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 e. U, 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 u. And last group is yu, 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 yu. As in my name, Liu Xiaoyu. That's this one. Yu is not wu.